Okay, right, let's document this mini ITX build. So
we got a Corsair SF600 power supply. That's with CPU, got some Current ultra high performance thermal paste, which is good for cooling, and it is the 92mm, well, sorry, it's not 92mm, this is the AIO 645LT, which is normally used for the DAN case, but yeah, should fit fine in the Cold rocket, no problem. So coupled to that, we have a Ryzen 5 3600, nice balance there. Motherboard, MSI B450i. I shouldn't have to change the BIOS on that because it was made this year, so hopefully it should have the correct BIOS to run this chip, because normally they only support up to Ryzen Desktop 2000. This is a 3rd gen chip, so it's actually 3000, but should work. If it doesn't, you'll find out. Okay, so we got the NVM SSD, 1TB Western Digital Blue 550, lovely jubbly. Some low profile RAM, Corsair Vengeance 16 gig, it's enough for gaming, and a card. It's a Zotac 2070 Super. It's mini, so that should fit in there quite nicely. For cooling, got 3 fans. So we've got 2 92mm low profile nocturnal fans. One is to replace the stock fan that comes in here, which is pretty rubbish. And then another 60mm fan, which I try and squeeze in somewhere. So yeah, let's see how it goes.